Waiting on it right now to see if we should even do that. But we might just try it out. Just try it out. Got one. I don't know if y'all seen him come up, but Jesus. He's feeling like a dang unit, but it's all this grass. Pretty fish right here, but geez. All this grass is what made him feel so dang big. He ain't nothing, no, he ain't over dang 2 pounds. He ain't even a pound over. He might be a pound, a quarter, maybe less. But he was not coming out of that. Decent fish. Let's let him go. He got some pretty colors on him. All right, let's get this